Before moving on to this lesson, I suggest you take a look at static dispatch. What we do here will actually be the expanded version. Generic functions are a mechanism for creating reusable code blocks that can be applied to different data types. By converting a function to generic, you enable it to work with multiple types. This way, we can reuse the same function on different data types. If we examine our function, the type t must be such that it must have a trait named shape. Therefore, structs named square and circle can be run within this function because they have the shape trait. Let's expand our function a little more. Here, more than one trait can be added to t and u. All you have to do is put a plus sign between them. Creating the function this way can cause complexity if we are going to add more than one trait. Therefore, we can obtain a more readable function by converting it to its long form. Generic functions prevent code duplication and help you create a cleaner and simpler code base. Generic functions have a wide range of uses by providing the flexibility to work with different types and are a frequently used feature in the Rust programming language. Since Rust is a type safety and performance-oriented language, generic functions play an important role in providing security and generating efficient code.